Okay guys, today I will be making a yellowtail snapper. I actually got these at the fish market and it's already clean and descaled. So all I have to do is clean it, season it, and cook it. How I usually clean my fish, I usually start by cleaning my fish with lemon. Okay. Make sure you clean your fish with lemon to make sure you remove all the fishy smell. And I also like to, let me just, as you guys see, I have the heads cut off, but I will be using the heads to make the stew, and I will fry the body, and then the head I will use it to make my stew, so I can still have that fish flavor. And the reason I slice it is because when it's time for me to season it, so it could be well seasoned. Okay, so you guys just slice it. Okay guys, now I have my fish has been sitting in this lime juice for about 30 minutes now. I'm going to kind of rinse it with some cold water. Okay, just rinse it with some cold water. My fish is clean. I already wash it with the lime, and now I'm going to season it with my Epis over here. That's the Haitian Epis, and I have a video of this Epis on the description box. If you click on the link on my description box, you'll see a video on how to make this very delicious marinade. So this is my Epis here. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to add a little bit of Maggi on it. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of Maggi. That's like half a Maggi cube. And what I'm going to do next is put a little bit of garlic powder. Okay, just a little bit of garlic powder. And I'm going to also use a little bit of salt. And also some adobo. Okay. And then I will just kind of mix it together. Instead of, you know, sprinkle the garlic powder or the Maggi on the fish, I just put it all together so I don't have to, you know. And then I'm also going to put a little bit of black pepper. A little bit of black pepper. Mix it really well. Okay, so that's all. I'm going to take my fish. Okay, I'm just going to make sure you open this up. Okay guys, I'm done seasoning my fish. Now what I'm left to do is to let it sit for at least 30 minutes so all the seasoning can get in the fish. And then I'm going to flour it and fry it. Okay guys, I will be using 1.5 cup of flour. Okay, that's for me. I'm just getting ready to fry the fish.